catch you sleeping. Waka waka. Waka waka. Who's a tired boy? Who's a tired boy? Who's a tired boy? What's with the sneezing?
Get him, Killian. Get him.
No.
Killian, a female or a male?
Well, just for James's benefit right now, I'll say that Killian's a female. Although James would point out that he has a bow tie, therefore he's a male. Well, look at that. He went right for the water like I knew he would.
Yeah, that ain't got a wiener, so he's got a male.
Oh, yeah, there is the whole wiener. There is the whole wiener thing, yeah. That's true enough. And he arrived here. Not one animal has barked yet, which really surprised me. I expected at least Jack to bark like a little bitch.
Oh, yeah. Dog comes in, before.
I know, but they've just...
Go after the dog, but...
Yeah.
He's not the same dog.
But there's just been playing. And I mean, I've been here, what, maybe 10 minutes at the most. Aww. Look at that tail wag. There's Lucy. Wow, this getting to know you again behavior is really interesting to see.
Lucy wants to get
Yeah. Oh, the first bark. I don't believe it. But it wasn't a, hey, fuck you kind of bark. It was more a, I think Lucy's trying to establish dominance.
Give Killian a kiss. Give Killian a kiss.
Yeah.
Oh, I gotta straighten up that bathroom. I washed the runners.
Nice. I don't think James has seen your TV, Dad. There you go. What is that, like, is it 70 or 80 inches? I forget.
90. Oh, what is it, 70, I think? Gonna make some noise or what? Or is it too early?
I don't care. And for James's benefit, Jack is my Aunt Cindy's dog, my dad's sister. And Jack is a little bitch. Just a little needy, separation anxiety ridden bitch. And Cindy dumped him on my dad. And in less than a month, he's just become a transformed dog. When I came in, instead of running away like a little bitch and hiding, he jumped on my lap and was like, "Hey buddy, I'm happy to see ya." My dad improves any dog.